everyone. I am Avantika Rai Chaudhary and I will start handwriting competition.
Okay, and welcome to our
Masti Ki Basara!
Yes, so you can see today how many are present. Boloram, say yes, miss.
Yes, miss. One.
Sneha.
Yes, miss.
Nishan.
Yes, miss.
11. Okay. Now you.
2, 3, 4, 5.
Bell baby.
Yes, miss.
Arindam.
1, 2, 3.
Shreshto.
Yes, miss.
Saki Sindhu.
Yes, miss.
Roshni.
Yes, ma'am.
Motu.
Yes, ma'am.
Prishant.
Yes, ma'am.
And here you can see Rudronil. He is giving his exam, maths exam, exponents. Yes.
12.
Okay. 12 of them are present, right? And so today we will start our handwriting. So let me okay, wait. Let me tell our shut your mouth, I said. Let me tell our YouTube friends that today handwriting competition you will not see from the blackboard. No. What I will say you have to write, right? Dictation. Okay, I will tell everything. If you are not following my instruction, if you say, Miss wait, Miss what? Na, Parchina, Miss rukiye. No. Then I will snatch your paper and you are cancelled. Quietly you will write. Aste kore I will tell you the spellings and everything. Yes. Now toilet shuru hoye gelo. Jao. Jaldi kore asho. So like this we will start our handwriting competition. Is it clear to all of you?
Yes, miss.
Yes, miss?
Yes, miss.
Don't say yes, miss.
Yes, miss.
Yes, miss.
Yes, miss.
Yes.
Yes, miss. Yes, miss. Yes, miss.
Okay. Now let us start.
Yes, miss. Yes, bird. I'm done.
No need to say. Nobody will say done. Nobody will say done. B-I-R-D-S, birds. Then write R. A-R-E-R. Written?
Yes, miss. Yes, miss.
Okay.
Yes,
Birds are flying. F-L-Y. No need to repeat. No need to repeat. Then I will snatch your paper. I will cancel. F-L-Y-I-N-G.
Please stop.
Birds are flying. Why are you telling? Why are you telling full stop? Are you a teacher? Are you a teacher? You are giving instruction. Birds are flying. Everyone has written birds are flying in the sky.
Yes, miss.
Shut your mouth. S-K-Y, sky. S-K-Y, sky. Very nicely, very beautifully you have to write. খুব সুন্দর করে লিখতে হবে. Yes? Written. Very good, very good. Birds are flying. Yes. Yes, very nice, very nice. Wow, beautiful, beautiful. Bell baby, you have tried well. You have tried well. Yes, you have also. Shobai. Yes, very nice, very nice, very nice. Okay, very nice. Birds are flying in the sky. Written, children. Now, okay, then you write. If you don't have place, then you can write in the second line. No, next line. Write in the next line. Then you put full stop and continuation. You will do continuation. Okay. After full stop, always you write small or capital, children. After yes, after full, very good, Shreya. After full stop, you must write capital. Yes. So now write the. Don't say right. Don't say right. Keep your mouth shut. T-H-E. The birds. B-I-R-D-S. B-I-R-D-S. Birds. B-I-R-D-S. The birds. Okay, waiting, sister. Waiting.
What writing?
The birds. T-H-E. The.
Right?
B-I-R-D-S.
T capital, sister. T capital.
Hey, you don't tell. Then your sister will get the prize. You will not get the prize. Don't tell to your sister.
Where is my rubber?
Where is your eraser now? Take it. Help. Okay, got. So you can see here there are so many friends who are willing to help these Judwa sisters. Yes, Judwa sisters.
Yes, miss.
Yes, and here is my Motu Gochu. Okay. Written.
Yes, miss.
Okay. Written birds, written children.
Yes, miss.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Okay.
birds are.
Who told you to write R? Huh? Motu? Huh? Okay. Now write birds build. B-U-I-L-D. Build. B-U-I-L-D.
B capital.
Yes, B capital. Birds build. B-U-I-L-D. Build. So here you can see Motu's handwriting, and a very strange thing, Motu has written his name not as Trishon, he has written as Motu. So Motu knows that Miss loves Motu name, right Motu? Yes or no Motu? Yes. Ma shonna ma gonna ma puchku ma kuchuku ma mere dilam ahare amar shonna ke koto manlam. Okay, written children?
Yes, miss.
Yes, birds build nest. Right, nest. N-E-S-T, nest. N-E-S-T, nest. Written children?
Yes, miss.
So friends, let them finish, then I will show you whose handwriting is best, and you all have to, my YouTube friends will tell who is the winner. Okay, our YouTube friends will tell. Moshin Bhai, then Rahul Bormon, then Jed Smith. There are so many YouTube viewers we have now. We are the family of 150 now, right? So they will tell us who is the winner. They will write in the comment box, and then I will give you the prize. Okay? Okay, so it's my request to my YouTube friends, please comment in the box who is the winner. Only one child will get the prize. I will show you all the papers. Okay? Okay. You can see everyone has almost finished their handwriting. Now they will play a small game, right? Balaram?
Yes.
All are ready for the game?
Yes, miss.
Okay, now see, wait Motu, what are you doing? Now listen to me all of you. Listen to me all of you. What you have to do is, first I will take the word cobbler. Then you will tell me the spelling. C-O-B-B-L-E-R. Then you will stop and you will say. Then you will stop and you will say. Then you will stop and you will say. Like this everyone will say, and then you will write. Understood? Okay. Now tell me the spelling of teacher. Yes.
T-E-C-H-E-R.
Wrong. Yes. Tell me the spelling of teacher.
T-E-A-C-H-E-R.
Very good. Come on, start writing. Yes, you tell me the spelling of teacher.
Me.
Yes.
T-E-A-C-H-E-R.
Very good. Start writing. Tell me the spelling of teacher.
T-E-A-C-H-E-R.
Come on, you tell me the spelling of teacher.
T-E-A-C-H-E-R.
Very good. You tell me, Nishan.
T-E-A-C-H-E-R.
Very good. Shreya.
T-E-A-C-H-E-R. T-E-A-C-H-E-R.
Come on, all of you write the spelling of teacher. Come on, all of you write the spelling of teacher.
A new page.
No, not new page. Turn the page and write. Turn the page and write. Yes, turn your page and write. Teacher. Written children, teacher.
Yes, T-E-A-C-H-E-R.
Yes, how many times will you tell? How many times will you tell? Written children, teacher.
Yes, miss. Yes, miss.
Everyone has done.
Yes, miss.
This Judwa sister has done.
Yes, miss.
Okay. Okay. Now tell me the spelling, Motu. Tell me the spelling of cobbler.
C-O-B-B-L-E-R.
Don't say BB, double B. Okay, twin sister, start writing. Twin sister, what is the spelling of cobbler?
C-O-B-B-L-E-R.
Yes, twin sister.
C-O-B-B-L-E-R.
Yes, Orindom.
C-O-B-B-L-E-R.
Yes, Bell baby. Cobbler, C-O-B-B. What will you say? L-E-R. Cobbler. Very good. Now you tell me the spelling of cobbler.
C-O-B-B-L-E-R.
Shreya, tell me the spelling of cobbler.
C-O-B-B-L-E-R.
You.
C-O-B-B-L-E-R.
Yes, come on, start writing. Cobbler. Written children.
I will write.
I will write. I have written.
I have written.
What will you say?
I have written.
I have written. Yes. No, I will write. What are you telling? I will write. I have written. Ami likhe niyechi. Okay, done.
Yes,
Okay, waiting for you. I know you are a slow. You are like a tortoise. Slow and steady wins the race, right?
Yes.
You want to be like a rabbit or a tortoise?
Rabbit.
Rabbit. Okay, you want to be like a rabbit or a tortoise?
Tortoise.
Tortoise. Why?
Slow speed.
Slow. You want to
Slow
be...
and steady wins the race.
Oh my God. Slow and steady wins the
Not
race.
fast and steady wins the race.
Yes, fast and not steady. Those who are fast, they are not steady. Slow are steady. Cobbler finished, yes, 2.
And me.
You want to be like what? Lion?
I will rabbit.
I will rabbit. I want to be like a rabbit.
I have written this one.
Okay. I also want to be like a rabbit because... Yes.
Two cobblers.
No, only one cobbler. Written, children?
Yes, miss.
Everyone has written?
Yes,
Yes, one cobbler. Everyone has done?
yes, miss.
Okay. My sweet Golu Molu Puchu. Baby, tell me the spelling of doctor.
D-O-R.
Big clap for Bell Baby. Come on, Bell Baby. Yes, very nice. D-O-C-T-O-R, doctor. Come on, start writing. Yes, you also write. Write. আমি জানি তুমি জানো মোটু তুমি লেখো No, not T-E-R, T-O-R. Doctor. Everyone has written? Written doctor? Okay, waiting my child, waiting.
I am a tortoise.
Huh? Tortoise? Don't be... Listen, children. Stop, rabbit and tortoise. Now listen. Be like a rabbit, right? But in your thinking, be like a tortoise. ভাবনা চিন্তা করার সময় টর্টয়েজের মতন হবে কিন্তু in your actions you must be like rabbit, quick, fast, right? Yes. Don't always be like tortoise, then you will get chance nowhere. You have to be...
Miss Tortoise first.
Yes, tortoise was first. That was a story. Yes, tortoise was very slow. Okay, now what have you written? Doctor finished?
Yes.
Okay, now write mason.
M-A-S-O-N.
Very good, mason, right? M-A-S-O-N, mason. Write all of you.
Mama, I have written.
Written, children?
Yes, miss.
Everyone has written?
Yes, miss.
Okay.
Miss.
Okay.
1 minute only.
Okay, 1 minute I'm waiting.
No prize. You say right, no prize, and you not say right, you get prize.
Okay.
Miss done.
Done, children?
Yes, miss.
Okay.
Yes, miss.
Have you subscribed our channel Masti Ki Pathshala?
Ma'am, I will subscribe.
Not seen in the mobile.
Yes, seen. Ma'am, my mother
Subscribe.
My mother knows subscribe next online class.
Okay, today you subscribe after going home. Yes.
Ma'am,
You like or see, I don't have
like.
children. I don't have so many subscribers, right? That's why I'm just begging in front of Balaram to subscribe. Please subscribe. Yes, please subscribe. Oh, you have liked. Very good.
I will also like.
Okay, like. Okay. Please like and subscribe because we don't have so many subscribers. We are not in millions. Even we are not in thousands also, right? We are in 100, right? So we are struggling. Our channel is struggling, right? We all are struggling. Which like? Let's see some other day. Okay, now mason finished, children?
Yes, miss.
Okay, now what will you write, beta?
Yes.
What will you write? Now write.
Policeman.
Okay, write policeman.
What is the spelling of policeman?
Okay, Motu will tell us. Motu tell.
P-O-L-I-C, police, M-A-N, man.
Very good. Motu tell.
P-O-L-I-C, police, M-A-N, man.
Not police. It's not police. It's policeman. Police. P-O-L-I-C-E.
P-O-L-I-C-E, police,
M-A-N, man, policeman. So here you can see everyone has done their dictation, spelling and handwriting competition. So everyone has completed, right? And here Balram is writing name. So everyone has to write their name. And now it's my request. Okay, keep your mouth shut. And it's my request to all my YouTube friends, so all my viewers, to just tell whose handwriting is most beautiful, right? So let us start with Brishank. Brishank, first you show me your copy. So here you can see Brishank and Brishank's handwriting. Brishank, just hold like this. Erokom kore dhoro. So here you can see Brishank's handwriting, and he is Brishank. So if Brishank's handwriting is good, you can comment in a comment box for you can just type Brishank's name. So Brishank will be a winner and he will get one small token of love from me. And here you can see my sweet Ghochu Mochu Kochu. My Motu. Okay, okay. Motu, don't move. Don't move. Sundar kore. Tomader hater lekha gulo to kagger moton. Okay. Okay, now he has tried well. So here you can see Motu, don't move. Prize pabe na, ke vote korbe na tomake. So you request all jot. Why are you talking? Why are you talking? And who is touching the wall? Stop touching, otherwise I'm going to give you now. Now you can see here Motu's handwriting. He has tried his best in writing, right? So very nice, Motu, very nice. Okay, now this. Oh, this also. Okay, Motu wants to see show this one also. He has given your spelling test. Okay, very nice, Motu. Now next, Saki, so show me your handwriting, Sindhu. Sindhu, show me. So here you can see Sindhu's handwriting, and all are in KG1 and KG2. So except 2 children.
Nice.
Yes, very nice, my child. Let's see whether Jyoti Prakash Mishra Didi or Moshin Bhaiya or then Akku Biddokor or something like that, Rahul Bormon Dada, they are just commenting your names in comment box or not. Let's see. Now here you can see Saki's handwriting. Okay, Saki's no, not Saki. Yes, Saki only. Saki has tried well, right? Saki? Nice, nice. Okay, now you show me. This is Arindam's copy. Yes, you can see this is Arindam's handwriting. Arindam, aro bhalo korte hobe, bhalo hoyni Arindam. Okay, now you show me your okay, Bell Baby has tried best, right? He has tried his best, right? Bell Baby, তুমি অনেক চেষ্টা করেছো, ঠিক আছে, ভালোই হয়েছে, বাজে হয়নি, তুমি চেষ্টা করেছো, nice. And here you can see Nishan's handwriting, right, Nishan? Yes, Nishan, you have not written your name. Now Shreya, show me. Shreya, show me. Yes. So yes, you can. Wow, Shreya, beautiful, very nice, very nice. Okay, okay, okay. So Nishan is trying to show his name. Yes, Nishan, very nice, very nice. Okay, now after Shreya, Balaram. Okay, Balaram and Shreya, they are in class 1 and class 2. Yes, so Balaram is in class 1 and Shreya is in class 2. So here he has given his handwriting test and spelling test. Very nice, very nice. Okay, okay. So now say bye bye to our YouTube friends.
Bye bye.
Eta ki biye bari? Okay, stop. Now who will request? Wait, who will request our YouTube friends in English? Who will speak in English? Please do comment in the comment box. Who will request this? Motu request. Come on, Motu. Motu say, please do comment.
Do comment
In the comment box.
in the comment box.
Thank you.
Thank you.